Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Wi-Fi problems on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. If you have issues with Wi-Fi is not working correctly, then you can, for instance, go to settings. The first thing that you can do is make sure that, of course, the airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes people forget that they have enabled airplane mode or they enable it by accident, so make sure that the airplane mode is off. Now over here we need to go to Wi-Fi, and if you are connected to a network but it doesn't work, you can, for instance, press this information icon and then you can disconnect and forget about this device. So then you should be able to connect to the Wi-Fi one more time. And in addition to that, you can also go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots, go to more settings, and then over here you have save networks. So if you have been connected to Wi-Fi but it doesn't show up anymore for some reason, then you can try to go to save networks, and then over here you should also be able to forget the network. If these basic options do not help, then you can go down and choose system and update, and then over here you want to choose backup and reset, go to reset phone, and over here at the top you will find reset network and Bluetooth settings. So over here you can select this option in order to reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. So this is one of the best ways to actually try to fix issues with Wi-Fi. So if you go through the reset, then of course you will need to log into your Wi-Fi network again. You will need to enter the password and so on and so forth. But after that, this issue should be solved. Especially, of course, if the issue actually is on the device's side, not on the, let's say, the router side. So if that doesn't help, then of course you also have reset all settings, which is nearly the same as the one before, but this one resets every setting that you have on this device, including, of course, the network settings. So if the first one doesn't help, try the other one, and after that, one more time, go back to the Wi-Fi settings, find your network and try to connect and see if it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.